Hello, my little learners. So, kids, in our previous sessions, we have discussed types of animals on the basis of food habits and habitats. So, kids, all animals are different and categorized into different types, but they are similar too. Yes, as we human beings having same number of organs, that is, it can be internal, external. Observe these eyes. We all have two eyes, two ears, even number of arms also equal. Now observe this picture. This is the picture having animals and each one having four legs. So kids, can you calculate total number of legs there? Yes, each animal has 4 legs, so the total legs will be 4 times of 4 or 4 into 4, that is 16. Now observe this picture. There is again different type of animal, and in this picture each one is having 2 legs. Now calculate the number of legs. Each animal has 2 legs, so the total number of legs will be 2 times of 3. That is 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6, or 2 into 3 will be 6. Now observe this picture, kids. Here we have different types of animals on the basis of their habitats. Let's now categorize them into different categories. The categories are like arboreal, aquatic, aerial, terrestrial and amphibian, as we already done this. So now quickly tell me how many total number of animals are there. Yes, again we have to do the same method. That means first calculate the number of category. Yes, there are total 5 types of category and each category has 3 animal. This means we have to write it down like 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 15. Or we can also write 3 times of 5. Let's now understand the concept of multiplication more clearly by observing the conversation between koala and vulture.
Wow! Vulture, this multiplication is so easy.
Yes, koala, multiplication is easier than repeated addition. My favorite number is 1. Do you know why?
No! Please tell me what is so special about number 1?
When you multiply any number with 1, you get the same number. For example, 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2.
Oh wow! But my favorite number is number 0 because when you multiply any number with 0, you get 0 as the answer. For example, 2 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0.
But you are a very lazy animal, koala.
Why would you say that, Vulture?
Because you sleep for 22 hours out of 24 hours in a day. Can you tell me for how many hours do you sleep in a week?
22 hours of sleep in one day. It means 22 plus 22 plus 22 plus 22 plus 22 plus 22 plus 22. 22 7 times. Or we can say 22 multiplied by 7. 22 7 times is equal to 154. Means 22 multiplied by 7 is equal to 154. Let us see how we multiply through column method. First multiply 2 by 7, which is equal to 14, in one's column. Write 4 or 14 in one's column and carry 1 above the tens column. Then multiply 2 by 7, which is equal to 14, and add 1, that is equal to 15. Write 15 under tens column. So 22 multiplied by 7 is equal to 154.
Oh my god, koala, it means you sleep 154 hours in a week?
So kids, now quickly recall all the properties of multiplication, and these properties are identity property, zero property and commutative property. You know kids, the product of any number and 1 is that number itself, like 8 into 1 will be 8. Now we have the second property, zero property. The product of any number and 0 will remain 0 itself. Here is the third property, commutative property. Multiply two or more numbers in any order, the product will remain the same. Hope the concept now clear. Bye bye kids, take care.